Bird on the street.
From this experience, I'm hoping to gain just a new perspective, new experiences, and just to be able to represent the Phi Circus and grow as a performer.
Something I hope to accomplish for Macy, say something they praise, just to find a moment for myself, to take it all in, just to, appreciate the moment, appreciate where I am, my family, my friends, everyone that's supported me, just to be grateful for this whole experience.
That we get Phi's name out there, and this is only the beginning for our organization, and we can get more bigger opportunities. This is probably the biggest thing I've ever done and Phi's ever done, but I feel like we could do bigger things after this.
So when I first heard that I was chosen to go perform at the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade, I was super excited. I felt like it really showed how far I've come in circus and how hard I've worked. And I was ecstatic. How my thoughts kind of changed since then is it's still the same. I'm so excited still. But before, it was kind of like this unreal thing that was happening there. But now, it's only a week away, and it's all so real. And we're leaving in 2 days after this is recorded. So, yeah, it's just become a lot more real.